Init. Init.
Is your drink too hot? Your tea?
Init.
Or your coffee?
Init.
Or else you don't have time to make one? I guess you need our new steering and cooling device. It is homemade and easy to make. But first, let me show you how to make one.
Step 1. Preparing the materials. We need a CPU fan, a 9 volts battery, an empty 1/2 gallon, a switch, a battery terminal, popsicle sticks, electrical tape, a wire cutter, scissors, glue gun, and glue sticks.
Step 2. Cut the empty gallon. The gallon will serve as the chassis for our device.
Step 3. Use the popsicle sticks as the stirrer. Use 2 popsicle sticks to extend it.
For the step 4, attach the popsicle stick to the CPU fan using your glue gun.
Step 5. Attach the CPU fan to the chassis we made lately.
It's getting Cyrus on his track, fam.
Step 6. Connect the wires according to its charge.
Step 7. Cover the wires with electrical tape.
Step 8. Attach the switch and the battery to the chassis.
Step 9. Hide the wires or cables.
For the last step, clean or check any excess glue. And finally, we're done.